Hey guys, it's me, and I'm back with another MSV video, and today I'll be making a backup, and the backup's already made, so yeah, you can go add it. I'll show you guys right now. I'm gonna get my keyboard because there are going to be some stuff I get to. So this is my backup. So yeah, you can go add it now, but yeah, you can go add it. It's pretty much, it's not ready yet, so yeah. I just wanted to say, so yeah. Oh yeah, there's also gonna be account giveaway. One account that I'll be giving. I'm gonna give away, a level 10 account. That's the account I'm gonna give away. I'm gonna give away Bluey Bears and that heart symbol. Away, it's level 10. So, yeah. So, yeah, guys, bye.